Hello students, welcome back. This question is from GATE 1998 exam. It's for 2 marks. Let us have a look at the statement. You can see the question is what happens when a bit string is XORed with itself n times as shown. Option A is complements when n is even, B says complements when n is odd, C says divides by 2 power n always, and D says remains unchanged when n is even. Okay, so now let's try to solve this one. You can see we are taking XOR of a bit string n times. Okay, what they mean by saying this is there are n XOR signs. Okay, so if this is 3, that means if number of XOR signs are 3, in that case, which is odd, okay, in that case, the number of B's will be even. Okay, so they are 4. Okay, don't get confused between these two. In statement, they haven't mentioned it clearly, but from the options it is clear that they're talking about number of XOR signs. Okay, now let's try to solve this one. So first let us consider the case in which n is odd. Okay, so n is 3 here, 1, 2, 3. Now you need to know this property of associativity. It says that for solving expression in which there are multiple XOR signs, the order of solving does not matter. So to perform XOR of 3 Boolean variables, it doesn't matter if you take XOR of A and B first or B and C first. Okay, that means these brackets that they have given in question, they don't matter. So you can solve any one of these first. Let's solve these two first, then these two. So you can see B XOR B will be 0. How is it 0? From truth table of XOR gate, you can see that whenever both the inputs are same, the output is 0. Okay, this is a property of XOR. So this one is 0, this one is also 0. Now you are left with 0 XOR 0. 0 XOR 0. This will also be 0 because both the inputs are same, so output will be 0. Okay, from here it is clear that whenever n is odd, output is 0. Okay, so option B is rejected. Now let's see what happens when n is even. Okay, so I'm taking value of n to be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what happens. So B XOR B is 0. B XOR B is 0. Okay. So we are left with B XOR 0 XOR 0. 0 XOR 0 is 0. So this will be simplified to B XOR 0. And B XOR 0 is B. Okay. So the answer is option D, remains unchanged when n is even. Okay. Now if you are confused about how B XOR 0 comes out to be B, you can just see the truth table. So this is the truth table of XOR. Whenever one of the inputs of XOR is 0. Okay. See, one input is 0. That means these two cases. Okay. In that case, the output is exactly same as the other input. That means B is given as the output. So we can write B here. Answer is option D. Okay.